Hey guys, you know, every time I start a video, I feel like I'm in Kara's room. That is so funny. I just knocked on the door. She wasn't even in here. I was wondering why she didn't say yes. So, peanut butter, because hubby still has to pick up the jelly and the fishies. But this is the lunch bag that we use on the cruisy cruise. This is one of, I think this was Sydney's old lunch bag. So super cute, right? And then here are the Pop-Tarts. So I'll put a box. I just want to make sure I have enough because if Kara is the Pop-Tart girl, but if Sydney wants to rock, there's enough for her too. So I'd rather have more than not enough. And yeah, so I'm going to put a box in each one of the suitcases. Leave this open for the fishies and the jelly, and I'll be good to go. Yeah, actually, I'm going to put it on this side, and I'll put this one in here. And close it up because Hershey be running in here. Girl, it'll be Pop-Tarts all over the floor. Let me zip. Yes. And yes, on Bob Ross from the Dollar Tree socks. Rocking. Yeah, I'm going to throw these over here. Mommy, I'm going to put the Pop-Tarts. Oh, this is still in here too. I'm going to put the Pop-Tarts in here, okay? You hear me, girl?
Yes.
Okay. So here's my box of HelloFresh. I forgot to cancel. Oh my goodness. So I was thinking about what we were going to have during the week. I don't have to think no more. But that means that I didn't pick. So let me see what's rocking. Cheesy smash burgers. All right, we could do that. What's this? Che Buono? Is that how you say it? Chicken spaghetti with grape tomatoes and Italian herbs. So that's rocking. Did I say that right? Che Buono, yeah. And honey thyme pork fillet. So yeah, all right, we could rock. So we have a couple things to do. I just like that everything is packaged all nice and neat, right? I'm gonna just throw these in the refrigerator and we're gonna be good to go. This is the chicken spaghetti rocking, the smash burger. So I'll probably fix one with you, and the honey thyme pork fillet. So yes on that. I'm gonna pull this down, and here's the meat. The pork fillet, the ground beef, right, is rocking, and the chopped chicken breast. So we are good to go. Yes. All right, I think I'm going to do this one tonight, chopped chicken breast. So this one is the spaghetti one. So yeah, let me do this quick and fast. Here it is right here. It looks good, right? Different with grape tomatoes and Italian herbs. All right, let me get started. Oh my goodness. These all contains milk. Oh my God.
Don't be shy and act like you can't film while I'm here. I said, don't be shy and act like you can't film while I'm here.
I'm not. I'm filming now.
You're not shy?
No. It's good in my pie.
And I wash the counter down. Like, it'll be an hour before you come in. I wait everything down.
Oh, thank you. Is my iPad down here?
That's right there. See, my daughter is married for her birthday.
When is it?
Today.
Oh!
She went out and bought a skirt, and it was like all the way up to here, and I was like, But she's very conservative, so she's like, Mommy.
How old is she today?
22.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, Mom, I can't wear this.
Yes, you can.
I had a dream last night.
And she grew by.
When was the last time she went out?
I'm about to say.
I know you texted me, but I can't look.
No, I'm looking now. I can't remember. Wait, when did I do that?
What's that police stuff? That's you?
What do you mean?
I heard sirens.
No, that's his iPad. Because the police on here.
Yes.
Sesame Street.
Yes.
Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always making a plate, being a plate. She is never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
Yes, this is why I love the HelloFresh meals. They're so quick and fast. I don't have to think about anything. Everything is in here. Miss Girl, I'm going to tear this up. Yes on that. And I have a little bit left for lunch. That's Kara. I keep it light during the day, so yes on that. Hey guys. Oh, I almost fell. I had my legs crossed. So I just finished my appointment. I was in Aldi's. I ran off the train, ran to the appointment. Ran off the train, ran to Aldi's, and then in Aldi's I was like, that's Hershey knocking down stuff. And then in Aldi's I was like, all right, you guys, I gotta hurry up because Sid has an appointment. So that was just finished. Everything went really well. We're with an organization that kind of helps Sydney, now that she's an adult, just do different things, social. You know how, Miss Maureen comes for Kara once a month still. Even though she's not her one-on-one, they have a relationship. She has a relationship with our family. So, I look at her as like my child sometimes, right? So, but, I always feel bad because Sydney doesn't have a person. And this organization is helping, and she's already going to be socializing. So I'm so excited. It's called Child and Family Focus. So I am really excited about that. So that's what the meeting was about. I was trying to hurry up on all of these. I didn't even get to the food, right? Oh my goodness. So, but I wanted to show you what I got. You probably already know if you saw the video, but oh my goodness. Yes on the dog mom. This is 100% going with me on the cruise because I can't take my baby with me. But yes on that. And it's Sherpa. I love it. Look how it looks inside. So it is definitely meant for makeup or something because it's plastic in there. Easy cleanup, right? So I think this was $6. But they had mama ones, right, in the different colors like black, dog mom, mama, and pink, right, I think was mama. I don't think it came in the dog mom, but I'm not sure now. But oh my goodness. And it's like the color of Hershey. I would have gotten black and white because that's how I rock. Right? But this is so pretty. I love it so much. So yes on the dog mom. And Miss Girl, why it look like me right now, what I got on. I wanted to show it in the store, but I was rushing. But I'm wearing the polka dots. Oh my goodness. But yes on the dog mom, $8, right? I'm not a big Tumblr girl, but this is cute. This is so darn cute. Yes on that. $8. Yes, definitely in the cart on that. So yeah. Yes. Miss Girl on these earrings right here. Let me open them. When I saw them, I was like, oh, these are 100% going in the suitcase. Going in the suitcase. Yes on that. Let me open. They had a couple different ones. They had some bracelets and things, necklaces and all of that. Good, right? You know what I didn't see either? The shoes, the women's shoes. I didn't see that. I don't know if it was on another end cap or what, but I missed them. But yes, as I was looking at it, I was like, is that a tequila bottle? Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. That's insane in the cart. I thought that was so cute, and I'm definitely rocking them on vacation. I cannot wait. That is fire. They had a couple different ones, but I like this one with the line up there. That is funny. So yes on that. All right, that's all I bought. I just wanted to share it with you, right? All right, that's all I got. I don't know if this is the end of the video or not. Probably. Because I want to do, I want to show you guys the Easter basket things and all that I'm putting together. And yeah, I think this is going to be the end. Let me say bye. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye.